Mars rises as a steady ember among the stars, redder than Jupiter, sharper than city glow. That color is not campfire on a hot world. It is sunlight bouncing off iron-rich dust across a cold desert billions of years in the making. Myth: Mars is red because it is hot, a glowing coal in space. Cross that out. Mars is a frozen desert with thin air. The red is reflected mineral dust, mostly iron oxides, the same chemistry as rust on garden tools, spread planet-wide. Mars formed from the same rocky disk as Earth. Iron is common in its crust and volcanic minerals. Early water and geology moved that material. When iron meets oxygen, oxides form, red-brown grains that reflect warm light back to space. On Earth, rust often needs water and time. Mars is hyper-arid today, but ancient rivers once existed. Weathering broke rock into fines, oxidized iron, and lofted dust into a global blanket that still dominates the view from orbit. Mars' air is thin, about 1% of Earth's pressure, but enough to move fine dust. Seasonal winds lift oxide grains into planet-circling haze. Global storms turn the sky butterscotch and the ground one red stage. Powder, not flame. Color is which wavelengths bounce back. Iron oxide reflects more red and orange, absorbs more blue, like rust in a workshop. Sunlight hits the regolith. Red-friendly photons return to your telescope. Mars earns its nickname every clear night. Mars is not uniform ketchup. Dark basalt plains absorb more light. Polar caps are bright ice. Valles Marineris and Olympus Mons carve texture. The red dominates, but geology paints a patchwork on the same oxide-rich palette. Backyard telescopes see the red disk and shifting dark markings. Orbiters map minerals from above. Rovers scoop the same dust at boot level, confirming iron oxides under wheel tracks. One color story at 3 scales. Eye, orbit, fingertip. The twist: Mars was not always this dry red. Orbital maps show ancient clays and river deltas, a wetter past. Today's red desert is partly a fossil climate. Rust-colored dust is the present costume on a world that once held more water. At opposition, Mars grows brighter, worth the porch time. Fiction painted canals or war. The real planet is quieter, cold wind, old dust, slow geology. The red you see is honest chemistry, not a warning light. Recap: Mars looks red because iron oxide dust covers much of the surface and reflects warm light. Cold and dry today, shaped by ancient water and weathering. Storms spread the palette globally. Rust at scale, a mineral mirror, not a bonfire. Season 1 mapped moon phases, light years, tides, and falling astronauts. Space Sketch returns with new orbits soon. Look up tonight. The sky keeps the homework.